everyone, welcome back to Careers 360. Well, dear ones, in this particular video, I'm going to do the result analysis for the FMGE examination. The results of FMGE 2025 have been announced. It was announced on 13th of August 2025. So the candidates who appear in the exam can check their qualifying status on the official website natboard.edu.in. As you all know, FMGE stands for Foreign Medical Graduate Examination. It's a licensing screening test conducted by National Board of Examination in Medical Sciences for Indian citizens or overseas citizens of India. Clear? So who have completed their primary medical qualification like MBBS from institutions outside India and wish to practice medicine in India, they have to qualify this particular examination. It's kind of a mandatory step in order to register yourself with the National Medical Commission or State Medical Council. Remember this thing. So FMGE is not an entrance examination. It's rather a screening test or licensing test that is held twice a year, once in the month of June and the other in the month of December, in order to evaluate foreign educated medical graduate. This year, the exam took place on 26th of July 2025. Let's actually move ahead and now talk about the result stats for the year 2024 and 2025. So herein what you can have a look that the total number of students that got appeared basically, or rather you can just talk about the number of students who actually filled the form for this particular screening test. They were 37,207 this year 2025. And out of 37,207 students, only 6,707 students got passed. Fine. Also, 1,168 students were absent. 5 students' results are pending, just likely due to some ethics or verification processes. In a way, I just want to talk about that the majority of the students got failed. And it's near about 78% of the students got failed. That means from 37,207 students, the failed count was 29,327. Now, if I just compare it with 2024, the total number of students who filled the form were 35,819 and the number of students got passed were 7,233. That means only 20% of the students got passed. The rest, 76% of the students were failed. 0.22% of the students, if I just talk about, here you can have a look. 78 students' results were pending the previous year. And 1,211 students did not give this particular examination. So in terms of official messaging, I just want to say from the multiple source also, it is actually highlighting a particular thing that the majority of the candidates got failed, reinforcing the exam's rigor basically. Clear? So what I literally want to talk about is that this particular session, the June session 2025, tend to have lower success rates. Okay, including if I just talk about near about 18 to 20% of the students only got passed over here. So overall, I want to say FMGE remains a highly competitive and challenging screening test, or you can say licensing test, with the pass rate usually hovering between 10 to 20%. Herein I can just have a look depending on the session. Okay, now what's behind the low pass rate in June 2025? What was the reason कि इतना कम result आया है? बहुत कम number of students pass हुए हैं. Well, let me tell you one thing कि जो maximum marks है for this particular examination, it's 300. Okay, and you need to score 150 marks out of it in order to register yourself with NMC. So, what can be the reason of the low pass rate for the exam June 2025? Moderate difficulty can be one of the reason. Okay, so I can say there might be preparation gaps also. Many candidates may under prepare due to academic timing or estimate their readiness basically. Clear? Also the rigorous standard. So FMGE maintains a strict pass threshold of 150 marks out of 300. That means आपके 50% मार्क्स तो आने ही चाहिए with no relaxation across categories. There is no relaxation across the categories. Remember this particular thing. So over here, if I just want to compare the scores for this particular year, for the June session, highest marks were 251 and the number of students, okay, scored 250 and above is only 1. Okay. Now, highest marks were 251. Students with score more than 200, they were 136. So 136 students were having the score more than 200. And there is only one student having a score more than 250. Now, students with score 150 and have passed the exam, they are 150. So 150 is the set criteria. आपके 50% marks तो आने ही चाहिए. So what I can advise over here, what candidates can do, especially if they haven't cleared this particular examination. First of all, you can analyze your scorecard. Pinpoint your weakness in subjects or the types of questions, conceptual versus factual. Fine. You can actually revise your strategy. Okay. So focus on building over the concept, especially in the high weightage clinical subjects. Fine. This is what I can advise. You need to stay motivated. So a setback doesn't define your medical journey. First of all, you need to just think this in your mind. Learn and bounce back stronger. Fine. Explore the alternatives while you are preparing. I mean to say, if eligible, you can consider DNB, diplomas or clinical fellowships, which can boost your profile basically. And also track the next session dates and the guidelines. Ensure that you are ready for the next examination with updated materials and strategy. Clear? So this is all I can just talk about. So in a way, what is the final key points you can take away? So FMGE June 2025 examination, actually what we have seen is a sharp decrease in the pass percentage, likely below 20%. You can have a look. So it underscores the exams continued difficulty, okay, and imperative need for rigorous preparation and strategic study. So let me know if you would like a breakdown by subject, city-wise strengths or preparation resources next. Till then, take care and bye-bye.